Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Georgina. Thank you for joining me. We are inside the beauty library today where we are talking about IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Plus Skincare Foundation. Now, this foundation does not have any SPF in it. However, it does promise to improve our skin within 2 weeks of regular use. I love it. I love that idea. I want it to improve your skin and I want it to be awesome. It's supposed to give us a natural, no makeup effect with blurred imperfections all day long with all day hydration and wear. So let's go take a look and see how it did in natural light with no primer, no setting powder, and no setting spray throughout the day. Here we go. So we are bare face, moisturizer only, no primer. Let's see how it goes. I am actually really excited to try this one. I've heard some amazing things about it. Let's check out the texture. If you guys can see, it is a little runny, but let's see how it goes. Oh, I like this one. It feels like water. It feels like a little bit thicker than like a water. Like you're putting a nice light foundation on. See if it can cover the redness. Got some wrinkles. I am going in again with my Bobbi Brown foundation brush. This is the full coverage face brush. It's one of my favorites. So this is already going in, I can see it going into my skin fast. It's like lightning fast in the skin, which is really nice because I find a lot of times with every other IT foundation I've tried, it sits on the skin for a long time. Sometimes it doesn't even absorb all the way in. This one is going into the skin so fast. This is blending in so fast. You almost have to work fast because it absorbs so quickly, which I actually really love. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is awesome. It definitely blurs your pores. It's not super matte, but it's not, I would say it's more of a semi matte finish. It's not so matte that it looks like it's drying out and caking up in the dry areas and that it's gonna be too shiny in the shiny areas. This seems like a really great combination between the two worlds of luminous and matte. Ah, it does say water light on the box. I'm hoping that I can recommend this to try. We're gonna wear it, see how it goes, check back with final thoughts. So I absolutely loved it. It went right into my skin like water. As you guys could see, it blended in really well. I could get away with doing just one nice coat. It definitely took care of my pores, fine lines. It didn't look too matte. It didn't look too shiny. Thank you so much for joining me today inside the Beauty Library. My name is Georgina Castens, and I will see you soon.